welcome to Anthropology. So today we are doing part 2 of my shopping vlog. So in the first one I went to Nordstrom. I did a full store walkthrough basically. I will link that video down below for those that are interested in seeing it. In today's video, we go to Holt Renfrew. For those that don't know, it is a large department store here in Canada. Also, I would like to say, for those that are new here and that are not returning subscribers, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. I hope you enjoy the content that I have made. And if you do enjoy it, consider subscribing as well as like this video and comment if anything resonated with you. So basically, I go to Holt Renfrew. Holt Renfrew is a very large, department chain. It's full of luxury goods. I prefer shopping there over Nordstrom personally in Canada. I just find the selection is better. They have a wide variety of exclusively designer goods. So I go to Celine, as you can see, and I also went to Bottega. I saw some new Bottega bags. I went to Fendi. I went to Gucci. I went to a lot of stores that I didn't cover in my last shopping vlogs. I'll link those down below as well for those that are interested. Without further ado, let's get into the video. It's a good size.
It's a cute size. It's like a nice richness.
Yeah. enjoyed the shopping vlog part of this video. Now we will get into the unboxing. So I can start with actually Sugarfina. So I got this when I went to Nordstrom. For those that don't know about Sugarfina, they basically do really nice luxury candies. They're fairly pricey for the candies, but you get some really cool ones. They do a lot with alcohol, so if you like I think there was like the champagne bears are really famous. They're really good. I've tried them. Also, they do a lot of things around bourbon and whiskey. If you have one near you, I definitely recommend going to pick some up. They make really good gifts. Tissue paper. Inside, what do we have? We have some sugar lips. So these are a tart and sweet candy. We have some pina colada bears. These ones taste straight up like a pina colada. And magic mangoes. These ones also taste really good. They taste legitimately like I'm eating, you know, a gummy mango. So altogether for these three, it came to $33. So they're basically $10 per little, I guess, cube, but you get quite a bit in there. So this is what the little mangoes look like. They sort of look like butts, you know? And now onto the part that you were probably all waiting for. So here we have the Celine bag. We have the nice little Triomphe CC sticker. I really like these Celine bags. I like the handles. It's a really, you know, luxurious experience. Obviously, you're spending a lot of money in these stores. Like the minimum spend at these stores is like $100 for like a pair of socks, and it goes all the way up to thousands. So gotta have good packaging. And we're in. So inside, just a box. So we have the receipt and this gorgeous little Celine box. So comment down below, pause the video, comment down below what you think I got. Let's see how many were right. Did you do it? Okay, now let's get into it. So, what is this? Oh my gosh, what is it? So I got a pair of sunglasses. So here we have the new glasses case. I've never gotten, this is my first pair of Celine sunglasses, so I don't know what the previous ones look like. Side, it is magnetic, and it just says Celine Paris there. It's like microfiber lined, and it comes with a little Celine cleaning cloth. All right, are you ready? So these are my new little babies. Oh my god. So these are brand new. They are the, what is it? The Triomphe version 2 in the color Milky Merlot. So basically they look like this. This is what they look like on. What do we think? You guys are seeing this before I'm even seeing it. So basically, they have the Triomphe symbols on the arms, and they are this really nice pink color. So these ones come in two other colorways. So there is a black with more of a gradient lens, and then there's also a tortoiseshell with a dark lens as well. The Celine boutique that I went to, so like the Celine boutique in Holt Renfrew, Vancouver, they only got the pink and the black. I'd originally sent a picture about the tortoiseshell ones. They didn't get them, but then I was like, I already have tortoiseshell sunglasses, so that's fine. And then she was like, we did, my salesperson, Sandy. She said, we have the black and we have the pink. And I was like, the pink? I didn't even know they made a pink. So basically I was like, oh my god, pink. I've been wanting pink sunglasses for a while. I've also been wanting Celine sunglasses for a while, and I messaged her about these when I saw the Triomphe, the mini Cabas tote in the white canvas. So these are from the Monaco show. So I messaged her about these when I saw them, and these didn't come within the first release of the spring summer collection. So that's why they're the Triomphe 2. The Triomphe 1 is more cat eye, so that's basically what a lot of the models were wearing on the runway, but these ones are the Model 2. So you can see the lens is a little bit more square as opposed to round or angular. So inside, it's this little tiny booklet. What does it say? It just talks about storage. So sunglasses for general use. These sunglasses protect against the risk of damage for the eyes caused by exposure to sunlight. So these have basically, I don't know, a lot of different numbers. Not suitable for direct viewing of the sun or of solar eclipses. All right, I don't know. Cleaning and storage, just clean them like regular sunglasses. So we have this little book, receipt pouch. So these were $520, and so 520 Canadian, and then after tax they were $582 in total. I know they're available for purchase on the website if you're interested in doing that, if you don't have a Celine boutique near you. I also went to Nordstrom to try these on before going to the boutique, just because I went to Nordstrom first and they didn't get them. So this may be something that only Celine boutiques get. So just keep that in mind if you're looking for these sunglasses. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe, like for more content. I've been making a lot of shopping vlogs, and subsequently when I go shopping, I see things that I like, so then I do unboxings. I hope to see you all next time. Follow my Instagram, same name, Anthropology. I'll link the link down below. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.